Hey guys, it is Michael Kennedy with the YouTube channel Moving to Delaware Beaches here today with two of my fan favorites with D.R. Horton Homes here. And we are here in Plover Point. So I'm gonna call this Millsboro, but I'm actually gonna tell you that this is really the Oak Orchard section of Millsboro, which is a little classier. We're kind of right in the middle of Route 24. So halfway all the way to Route 1, halfway down to 113. You've got grocery stores right around the corner. It's unbelievable. And I think you're gonna love this. You can get a single family home, ranch home, 3 bedrooms, 4 bedrooms, under $400,000. I haven't done a video because this is the best price point in Sussex County right now if you're looking to get a single family home. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take a look at this beautiful Cali model. And I think, as I always say, it's gonna knock your sandals off, even though we have snow on the ground. So let's go take a look. Okay guys, come on in. Let's take a look at this beautiful Cali. So as you're gonna see, you come into this beautiful foyer, because it definitely has the accent mark. I mean, it's not just a foyer. But what's really nice with this floor plan is you do have a door on the bathroom. That's always a plus. We like that, you know, laughing from the peanut gallery. But the best part with this is it's really, I'm gonna dumb it down. This is simple, stupid home buying. Is you come in here, you've got luxury vinyl plank floors, really throughout the entire floor, except for in the bedrooms. You've got your one-piece inserts for your tub showers. You've got your elongated toilets. You've got your white vanity. And the best part with D.R. Horton, you have a choice. Would you like the white kitchen? Would you like the gray kitchen? That's it. They've made it so easy, but that's why they're able to offer these homes at such incredible prices, because it's economies of scale. Now, here in the front of the house, you know, beautiful guest bedroom. You've got the 2 windows here with this front facade of the Cali, which did have the front porch, which is a nice feature. And then back behind us, we've got the pink bedroom with a lot of really cool things hanging from the wall, which I don't know if you're gonna want that. I'm thinking for allergy season, that might be tough. Not like design ideas that, you know, famous guys like Craig would do. But the best part is you can really make this your own and do what you want to with it. I believe we got Ginger in the garage. Ginger's hanging out. Hey, Ginge, what's up, girlfriend? And then what's so cool about this house is you've got this flex room over here to the side. So I love this is actually a 4-bedroom house, which is amazing to be able to get this for under $400,000, slab on grade, ranch home. You've got this amazing bedroom. So they've got it decorated as a study, but there is actually a closet kind of back behind us here. So you can actually see that right there, which is nice with the ventilated shelving, goes in a little deeper. So you've got additional storage, which is good. I love these beadboard doors too. That's standard. That's not an option for them. You know, and again, because you've got slab on grade, mechanical closet is right here. So you've got your water heater, you've got your carrier system. Those are all right there. And then you've got your washer and dryer for your laundry room. And if I recall correctly, all the appliances come included, as well as the washer and dryer. And what's even better too is the quick move-in homes, they come with blinds as well. So I think it's 1.5-inch faux wood blinds. You're done, you're taken care of. Granite countertops are standard, white kitchen, or you can do the gray kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, all Whirlpool. That's included as well. Same with the side-by-side, you know, refrigerator. With this Cali floor plan, you do have the big walk-in pantry right here. Boom, there it is. I really thought it was gonna be a motion sensor. It caught me off guard. And now, again, you've got no garbage disposal?
Yes.
Oh, it is, there is a garbage disposal.
Yes.
Okay.
And we do a bowl sink now.
Oh, even better.
Yes, with a tall faucet.
Because I'm not gonna lie, I hate these double sinks because you cannot put a pan in there.
No.
So what do you do?
It's ridiculous.
You can't do it. It's not
So
good.
we changed that.
That's
Now
perfect.
That's better.
I love it when D.R. Horton listens to their customers. Here, dining room area, you're gonna notice they've got the puck lights kind of throughout the whole house, so all the LED lights are included, but if you wanted to, you could switch that out and put a chandelier right here. So those do have the brackets, so it can support a hanging chandelier or a fan, something along those lines. Really nice great room in here too. So again, everything's wide open, but it's got that, it's got that Texas vibe, which conveniently is where D.R. Horton's from. And a lot of people that come from Texas, I actually just had a client this past week who had toured through the community, and she was like, wow, this kind of feels like my house at home. And it is, it's that slab on grade, easy living, you got that much of a step to get in. So if you're a first-time home buyer that needs to be under 400, this is a perfect spot for you. If you're a retiree coming from New York, New Jersey, PA, Connecticut, DC, Northern Virginia, this is a really cost-effective way for you to be able to get a fully turnkey home. Obviously, they got the TV, they've got a nice space here, and then you've got the primary bedroom, because we can't call it a master bedroom anymore. And this is monstrous as well. So I mean, you've got it looks like a queen bed, but you could easily get a king bed in this space. You've got the windows off the back, and remember, any of their quick move-in homes, they're gonna have the blinds on it already, so you don't have to do anything. You don't have to worry about it at all. And now we come into the bathroom. You've got your double vanity. And again, it's little things. Yes, you don't have the knobs and stuff right now, but again, you can get whatever you want. You can put these in here, do a little scribe, put them in the magic spot, and really kind of decorate the house the way you want to, but you've got the double bowl, vanity, standard, got the walk-in shower, which is a nice touch. And again, little stuff like if you want to put a frameless glass door and you want to put doors in, you're talking about a couple $1,000 after the fact. And we've got lots of contractors that can do that for you. Then backing down around here, you still do have the water closet on this. So you got the separate commode area, and now you've got this big walk-in closet, which is fantastic. So heated and cooled, so all your clothes are gonna stay fresh, feel good. And then you've got the linen closet, which is massive. So here in Plover Point, you've got 147 homes total in the community. They only have about 56 left at this point. So they have sold this place out like hotcakes. This has definitely been one of their best selling communities here in the Delaware region and the Delaware beaches in particular. And the HOA fee is $115. That takes care of the pool. There's a playground, there's the little bathhouse that's there, and then there's this big green space. So if you want to go out there and play catch with the dogs, you want to throw a frisbee, you want to have a catch with the kids, you can do that all right here. You've got sidewalks throughout the community, which is really nice as well. And again, super close proximity to Long Neck, which is another little sub-city here in Millsboro, where you've got the Harris Teeter, Supergiant, as well as the Wise Market. And you've got a bunch of really good restaurants. You've got Serendipities, which is right down the street on the water. I mean, one of the few waterfront dining options in the area, as well as Paradise Grill right in Long Neck as well, and that's right out there. So you can park your boat, hang out, have a crab cake, have a burger, and you'll watch the sunrises or sunsets. And then, you've got 2 meatballs, yellow fins, all kinds of good stuff. So I think you're absolutely gonna love the area. Obviously, I think you're gonna love the house. So this is definitely a hot spot for you to come. Give me a call, like and subscribe down below, and let's get you in here to meet with Maddie and with Ginger and take a closer look at this community. Thanks for tuning in.